This culinary masterpiece maker doesn't just slice vegetables, it does so much more. Equipped with various blades and features, OmniSlice Pro becomes a versatile companion for various kitchen tasks. Whether you're julienning, grating, or even spiralizing your veggies, OmniSlice Pro is the guardian of your kitchen efficiency, offering convenience in every slice and chop. It's not just a vegetable cutter, it's a symphony of multitasking culinary convenience. Versatility is OmniSlice Pro's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific vegetables, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The adjustable settings and interchangeable blades allow you to tailor the cutter to suit different tasks, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various chopping challenges. Whether you're preparing a salad, stir-fry, or experimenting with new recipes, OmniSlice Pro is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of kitchen efficiency. It's not just a vegetable cutter, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary versatility. Operation is a breeze with OmniSlice Pro. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily switch between blades and settings with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making OmniSlice Pro a reliable culinary companion for your kitchen adventures. It's not just a vegetable cutter, it's an easy upgrade to a world of multifunctional efficiency. But what about durability? OmniSlice Pro doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying kitchen conditions. The sharp blades and secure attachments maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your multifunctional vegetable cutter remains a reliable tool for the long run. It's not just a vegetable cutter, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and style of your culinary endeavors. Now, let's talk about the experience. OmniSlice Pro isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a sensory delight. The smooth operation, the versatility in culinary tasks, and the overall enhancement of your kitchen routine, it's a symphony of modern culinary convenience. The experience isn't just about slicing vegetables, it's about turning every kitchen task into a harmonious blend of convenience and versatility. That is it for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you tomorrow.